There is this misconception about virgin or keeping your virginity, which I want us to address here. Some people, just as I mentioned before, that when you are keeping your virginity, you are keeping it for your husband. Did I say something like that? Yes. And the man you are keeping your virginity is also not virgin. So it demoralizes a lot of the ladies that I'm keeping virgin for someone who has started having sex. Yes. So some say you are keeping your virginity for God. I now ask, is God going to marry you? Me, from my own little research, I got to know that your virginity is for you and it's for your own good. For your own good, like this. It's for your own good. Let me break it down. If you are being the virgin today, and it happens that you and the person who the virgin, because some people got pregnant the first day they had sex, and you are not ready for marriage, and you the girls that I'm talking now, before I come to the boys, and you are not ready for the marriage, and you are being the virgin, in the process you got pregnant. Most of the people this thing happens to are always in school, because they have not finished school and they want to play hide and seek game. The thing enter unprepared. Some want to play smart and go to do abortion. I have seen a lot of she died while trying to do abortion. They want to do evacuation. They want to do DNC. They will give her postinor. By the time that you be hearing all this story, somebody's daughter has gone, not to come back. And they started by telling her that if she's virgin is for her husband. This person has not married, and she has been virgin by 1 year boy, and she died there. Now, if we say it's for husband, there are ladies who grew and died as virgin, normal death, mommy. Whose gift was it then? She did not marry. Some people don't want to marry. So who is she giving the gift? Herself. Yes. She kept herself, no sickness, no sexual transmitted disease, no breaking of heart. There are people that diverging, that they were telling her when they were diverging the lady that I will marry you. I love you. In fact, you are the any after me. You, God is number 5. Oh, my mama, make that woman not near us. She, when she was doing her own, I was not there. Now I want to play my life, JJ. She want to interrupt us. So by the time they are there brainwashing themselves, the lady will be like, is that how person they take go heaven? So I am in this life and somebody treasure me like this. She became pregnant. Or along the line, the guy left for another better person. Just like you rightly said, that some, they will say because they want to teach you how to have sex, so that you will be experienced. You now want to go and learn sex like somebody want to go and learn mechanic. So when you are free, you are being freed. Like they do, gather the neighbors and your colleagues in the training, so that they now do drink, more to buy biscuits, so that this one has learned the work. Sexual life is not like that. In the process, a lot of people have encountered the danger, enter problem. They marry the wrong man they're supposed not to marry. Let me also shock you again. There are women whom they program for this virgin of 18. They kept virginity till they married, and the man they married actually, he took their mouth like this and put inside fire. And this man be like, but I married this man as a virgin. With the gift one way they told me that if I should give to my husband, that this is the way this man is treated. See, some people married without keeping their virginity, without abstaining, because I told you we will be talking about abstinence. They got pregnant before they discover what is called genotype. In the process of discovering that their genotype, only for them to see that the man is AS and the woman is AS. And the first child they gave birth to is SS. In the name of nobody should talk to me, I've seen my husband. Or mommy, don't talk to me, I've seen my wife. That time that the thing will be coming to your head like a wildfire, they don't remember this one. No, you people did not do abortion, yes? No pregnancy, now they have married SSS. Child now is in the house. Big belly. All the food in that house, this child is consuming it, but you see the hand. This thing is fatter than his hands. No, we have child, we are feeding him day and night. He will tell you the history of what happened in the compound when you left, but it's not valuable to you. The age of this child has gone to secondary school, he's still in the house. Sometimes consuming only just to consume food and drugs. You don't want to mention that child as something, but you must mention the child as something because it's human being. It's a mistake you made when they were talking about keep yourself, abstain, lean, go to. Oh my God. If I begin to break down so many people that are into this pain, that is permanent pain. Anytime the man and the woman meet for child, they know the result already. And definitely they must meet as husband and wife. Okay, the woman now after spending how many years with the man will now walk away to another man. They will begin to the time wasted with the other man, uncle. Let us wake up. The church doesn't take this point. They don't really take sex education as a great topic. We are engulfed with prosperity. We're engulfed with going to heaven. We don't really care about now that we are in this world, we have not gone to heaven. So that we know the kind of human being we want to spend our life with. I know there is no perfect situation. There is no perfect marriage. But at least try.